Great bakeries are built on passion. Growing bakeries are powered by the right equipment. At ILY's Pies, every day begins long before the first customer enjoys a fresh product. Behind the scenes, a dedicated team works tirelessly to produce a wide variety of baked goods, including cakes, breads, pastries, palatroques, and many other customer favorites. But as demand grows, maintaining consistency becomes one of the biggest challenges for any bakery. Customers expect the same quality, the same taste, and the same experience every single time. That's why having the right equipment is so important. With solutions provided by Bakery Equipment Solutions, including Revent ovens, industrial mixers, and other professional bakery equipment, ILY's Pies is able to optimize production, improve efficiency, and maintain the high standards their customers know and trust. Every piece of equipment plays a role in the process. From preparation and mixing to baking and finishing, these tools help create a smoother workflow, reduce downtime, and support a production environment built for growth. Because in today's bakery industry, success is not only measured by what you produce, but by how efficiently and consistently you can produce it. For ILY's Pies, investing in the right equipment means being ready for tomorrow's opportunities, while continuing to deliver the quality their customers expect today. Great bakeries are built on passion. Growing bakeries are powered by the right equipment. Bakery Equipment Solutions, helping bakeries grow one solution at a time.